Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I hope you all are enjoying your online classes from at your home. So, my dear students, in my today's class, I am going to teach you a new chapter from your English grammar book. Chapter number 11, and the name of the chapter is Helping Verbs. So, my dear students, before starting this chapter, I want to revise your previous chapter, that is verb. So students, in your previous chapter you had studied about verb. So students, do you know what are verbs? A word that tells us what a person, an animal or a thing does is called a verb. We also know verb as an action word or doing word. Now we are going to read about helping verb. So students, a helping verb is used with a main verb to help express the main verb's tense, mood or voice. So my dear students, a helping verb helps a main verb, and the helping verb comes before the main verb. Like they are watching television. So students, here the word watching is main verb and the word are is a helping verb. So students, in this chapter we are going to study about the three helping verbs, that is am, is or are. So students, the helping verb always comes before the main verb. The second example is I am lifting a heavy box. So students, the helping verb in this sentence is am, and the main verb of this sentence is lifting. Now students, fill in the blanks using am, is or are. So students, first of all you have to know when we use am, we use am with I. The next one is, or next helping verb is. So, do you know when we use is? We use is with he, she or it. The next helping verb is are, and we use are with we, you and they. Now students, fill in the blanks using am, is or are. Look at the first one. I blank sitting with a student of class 2nd. So students, with I we always use am. So here you have to fill am. I am sitting with a student of class 2nd. Now let's come to the second one. He blank driving a car. He is a singular he is a singular pronoun. So here we have to use is. He is driving a car. Now let's come to the third one. You blank doing your homework. So students, you know very well, we always use helping verb are with you. Now let's come to the fifth one. My brothers blank studying to be doctors. So here brothers are a plural noun. So here you have to use are. My brothers are studying to be doctors. Now let's come to the next sentence. Rana and I blank wearing similar dresses to the party. So students, as you know that we use am with I, you have to fill am in the given blank. Now let's read these sentences. I am lifting a heavy box. Riva is meeting my cousin in Delhi. Ram and Mita are flying kites. So students, in these sentences, the words am, is, are helping verbs. So students, which are the helping verbs? Am, is and are helping verbs. They are used with the verbs lifting, meeting and flying. So students, here in these three sentences, the verbs are lifting, meeting and flying. So these verbs are also called main verbs. They are used with the verbs lifting, meeting and flying to show actions that are happening in the present time. Now let's do the exercises from this chapter. First of all, you have to remember these things which is given in right side. Use am with I. Use is with he, she and it. Use are with we, you, they. Now let's do this filling the blanks with am, is or are. Lakshmi blank feeling unwell today. So here Lakshmi is a singular noun. So here you have to write is. Now let's come to the next one. Nick blank having cornflakes and milk for breakfast. So Nick is also a singular noun. So here you have to write is. Now let's come to the third one. Millie and Julie blank jogging in the park. So Millie and Julie. are plural nouns. So here you have to use are, because you know that are is used for plural nouns, or we use it with we, you or they. Millie and Julie are jogging in the park. Now let's come to the fourth one. I blank opening the window because it is very hot here. So after this you have to use am. I am opening the window because it is very hot here. The next one is Yami and I blank buying tickets for the show. So yeah, so before I we always, so with I we always use am. So here you have to write am. Now let's come to the next one. We blank going to Chandigarh next week. So students, as you know that we use are with we. So here you have to write are. Now let's come to the next one. I blank studying hard for my final examination. So my dear students, you know very well we use am with I. So here you have to fill am. Now let's come to the next one. He blank moving to Canada this year. So he is a singular pronoun. Here you have to use is. Now let's come to the next one. She blank making delicious dishes for my birthday. So here she is also a singular pronoun. So here you have to fill is. She is making delicious dishes for my birthday. Now let's come to the next one. You blank reading an essay written by my cousin. You, so we always use are with you. So here you have to write are. Now let's come to the next one. We blank preparing to host a party on Saturday. So my dear students, as you know that we always use are with we. So here you have to fill are. Now let's come to the next one. Look at those puppies, they blank drinking milk. So students, we also use are with they. So here you have to fill are. Now let's come to the next exercise. Choose the correct word to complete these sentences. So students, here you have to choose the correct words to complete the given sentences. Now look at the first one. I blank sitting on a bench in the park. So students, we often use am with I. So here you have to write I. Am. I am sitting on a bench in the park. The next one is the children blank playing tennis. So students, here three words are given, am, is and are. So the children is a plural noun. So here you have to write are. The children are playing tennis. Now let's come to the next one. The squirrels blank eating nuts. So students, squirrels are also plural nouns. So here you have to write are. The squirrels are eating nuts. Now let's come to the fourth one. The birds blank chirping. So students, birds, it is also a plural noun. So here you have to write are. The birds are chirping. I hope you understand these exercises by the help of this video. So the remaining, you have to do the remaining exercise. This is homework for you. I hope you understand about helping verbs, main verbs by the help of this video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.